Clip to save, you will be amazed with Couponing Crystle.
Hey lovely people, Couponing Crystle here with a coffee hot chocolate station. I wanted to show you guys a good little way that I thought to utilize that leftover Christmas candy. I'm sure you probably have. First of all, you need to get you a little designated area. This particular area had my Keurig already, but we also had the NutriBullet over here, so I had to just clean that area off, move that item out of the way. I wanted to kind of designate the area, so I went to the Dollar Tree. You know, Dollar Tree always has good accessories at the low price of darn near free, okay? This was just a mat. It has little coffee motifs on it. I thought it was really cute. Great size, just sat it right here. Then I also have a little picture and it says, Java is always a good idea. So I put that back under there. And then I also have this little light. This little light was the Dollar Tree. I stuck it up there with a little sticky from a command hook and it's holding it quite nicely. It's got a little button so it will flash, but we don't need it to flash. We just need it to be a light, okay? I got this beautiful pedestal during yard sale this past summer, so I had to put that here. I wanted to add visual interest by doing different heights, okay? Push the Keurig to the corner. My K-Cups were already on this little spinner. We did find this at the yard sale. I believe it was last summer, but I'm not sure. It might have been the summer before. But at any rate, super cute. I have the Swiss Miss K-Cups that we got at the Harris Teeter Super Double for the low price, okay? I have a regular and I have a reduced fat because I got the last two boxes that they had. Then we've got some French vanilla coffee, and then we've got some varieties of teas and coffees on the bottom. We're gonna sit that right there on the corner. We're going to utilize those leftover candy canes, all right? This was a cute little mug that I was able to get yard selling, okay? I may have paid $0.25 or 10 cents for this. Put your candy canes in the cup. You're gonna be able to use your candy canes because you can put this in your coffee or you can put it in your hot chocolate and stir it. It's just up to your liking. But I wanted to put it in a different cup so it wouldn't look like Christmas. I feel like the brown matches my decor, so I'm gonna sit it right there. Next, I got that Hershey Kisses. The Hershey Kisses were on clearance for $1.40 at Harris Teeter. This is actually the ones that have the white chocolate and peppermint flavor. So this was a yard sale bowl. Y'all know how I do. So I had to get that. We're gonna sit that right there. Marshmallows. You can't go wrong with marshmallows, okay? I got an airtight canister. Found this yard selling. Got the marshmallows. You could also do, you know, whipped cream or Cool Whip, but of course those things are going to be refrigerated, so you're not going to be able to put it in your bar or your coffee station, okay, or coffee hot chocolate station. So we're going to sit that right there on the corner. Now the cups that I was able to find were the Chinette insulated cups. I found these at Sam's. They were less than $10. I thought that was a great deal because it's 60 insulated cups. They're 16-ounce cups. They come with the lid, which is really cool. I think that's good. And it's double layer insulation, easy fit lid, extra sturdy cup, and it is a good sturdy cup, so that's great. I wanted lids. I wanted something that was going to be fast, easy, that I can take with me when I leave out the door. I didn't want to use my insulated tumblers because, you know, they're actually too big for the height of the Keurig. Right there, we're gonna position a few lids right there. Now we've got to have some sweetener, some creamer. So I wanted to think of a way that I could put it on here. It would still look pretty and not look too junky with all those colors. So I decided to use the sugar dispenser at the Dollar Tree, of course. So one, I've got sugar, and then one, I've got the creamer or coffee mate And what I decided to do was just make some labels so you'll know what it is. These were $1 each. My little labels, I was able to find these cute little stickers at the Dollar Tree. It was like 30 some stickers in here. So I felt like the colors match my mat because they match my kitchen area. So I had to get these. They were super cute. I just used my labeler to print sugar and to print creamer. Then I stuck the label onto some black cardstock, poked a hole in it, and then used some little jute string that I had that was actually off of my canisters that I yard saled this past summer. So I actually used that leftover string. So upcycling. We're gonna sit the cream and the sugar on the pedestal. I've got plenty of room on this pedestal. I could put more cups if I wanted to, but either way, I think it's super cute. We're using that leftover Christmas candy. Plus, I've got just a new little spot in my kitchen. So I think it's gonna be great. I'm excited about it because I feel like it's gonna be just an easy way for me to be able to just fix it in the morning. I did want to show you the height of the cup for the Keurig because I told you this is a 16-ounce cup. So this is the perfect height for the hot chocolate and for the Keurig. All right, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below this video if you guys were able to find new and innovative ways to use that leftover Christmas candy. Maybe you did cookies. Maybe you decide to do a hot chocolate coffee station. Let me know in the comments below. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.